All right, now the fun part, loading it up. And Saba wants me to be the driver, which I'm okay with. I've hauled it once before, of course, from Anacortes. I have a video of that on my YouTube channel, several. And what makes me nervous is the separation of the ramp. But we can gauge that once I'm in front of it. Okay, now I'm gonna set up the tripod and have her roll while I do my best to get it on the ramp. I think maybe the angle of view is pretty good from here. Here we go. Wish me luck. So Saba's gonna take it on the ramp himself, which I prefer. Makes me nervous. Let me see. No. What do you think?
All good, all good.
Think you're good?
Yeah, I think.
Okay. Okay. All right, here we go. Goes the clutch.
Got a double check. Yeah, all good.
All right. I'm glad he's doing this. Put it in gear. Good. Byron. You can do it. There you go. Wow.
Oh, good. The other side is good too,
It looks like it. Perfect.
Just tell me, I'm gonna stop very close to the front Mustang. Okay, can you show me?
Okay. Close to the Mustang. So much for the clutch. Stop. You're about 1 foot away. You're about 12 inches. Okay. All right.
Okay. Now explain me. I will turn off. Okay. The brake is on. I'm going to the up. Yep.
Or you can leave it where it is. Just remember to turn it up when you start it.
Okay, I will leave it up or what? For the Dominic, I don't know, maybe I will explain to him.
Oh, he knows it. He knows it.
Okay, I'm sorry. Okay.
Yeah.
I will put the first gear.
Yep. Okay, it's in gear. You got the emergency brake on.
Here's the key.
Okay.
The windows needs to close. Okay, and we need to get the stuff to the inside.
Oh yeah. Okay.
Opa.
A big guy just drove that Model A on his car carrier.
That's good.
You did a great job. Never mind the clutch. Okay. Now I'd probably fall if I tried this. That's rather heavy. You okay?
Yeah.
Saba is from Georgia originally, and he got her in. Now I got that, where's that? Yeah, I put that like a footrest or whatever, just kind of insulate it as much as possible so it won't slide to the dash. Do you think that'll work okay?
What, this?
Yeah.
This perfect.
Okay. Maybe I got carried away, but you know, furniture pads are pretty inexpensive.
Perfect. Yeah, when I will unload it, I will put it back, and again the same.
Okay, perfect. There's no lock. Well, there actually is, but I've never used it. Well, how about that? Byron Lee's loaded up on the car carrier, and with the Buddy, a Mustang GT, they should drag sometime. My heart was in my throat for a bit, but we're all good. Destination, New York. Staten Island, New York. Let's see what he does to strap it down. Got the ramp all reinstalled. Strapping down the tires like that Mustang. Damage on the Mustang, but someone's got a prize there, a project. Nice and snug. Can't even flex this. That's good. I'll do the other side.
That's how I'll put one more and that's it.
One more.
These straps is for, you see, 3,000.
Oh, wow, okay.
Pound, and this car is a 2,000 pound here.
Wow, that really clamps it down.
Yeah.
It's not going anywhere.
No, it's not.
Just stay away from tornadoes.
When I'm driving and the car is going left and right, it's crazy, you know, it's a little scared.
So the winds that could be heavy at times, hopefully no tornadoes, are not as impactful on an open carrier because obviously it's more streamlined. There's no boxes, not like a kite. So in that respect, Byron Lee is in a better situation. So will I get a receipt?
I sent it on email. And where's the keys?
Well, you have the keys.
Yeah, I have.
Remember, that's the only set. One final walk around with Byron Lee. So if Spitfire will be picked up in Seattle, it will go behind Byron Lee. That's quite a collection of vehicles. It'll be a spectacle. Everything looks great. All right, we're documenting the license of the towing truck and the trailer. And Saba suggested this because sometimes the unscrupulous drivers will just stop by. Okay. Okay.
That's it.
All right, now it's truly time to say goodbye to Byron Lee. Uh-oh. Not sure what just happened there. Skye did really good. I didn't have to worry about her. Once she met Saba and calmed down, looks like we got a little bit of a tight curve here. Not sure what happened. A little tight getting around the corner. I'm not sure what's going on, but I assume it's all good. All's good. So long, Byron Lee. Byron Lee is gone. And I must say I'm an emotional mess right now. And it's raining. Tears. But I'm also relieved knowing that Byron Lee, my 1931 Ford Model A pickup, owned by my father, Byron Lee Wingate, and given to me before he passed, is going to even a new place, a better place perhaps. I know Dominic is excited about getting this truck, and he has the tools and the knowledge to do better at maintaining and fixing it up, making it even more special than he already was to me. Farewell, Byron Lee. No more videos of my Model A, but there will be some follow-ups, I'm sure. Dominic agreed to send me a few videos and photos now and then to let me know everything's good. What he's doing with this Model A. Alongside of his coupe, he's got a beautiful Model A coupe, so what a perfect place to go, to New York, to a FDNY 36-year retiree mechanic. Nothing better than that. Thanks for watching.